footbridges have been built throughout the whole city to connect places in Hong Kong. Most of them are modular structures that are low cost but are not aesthetically pleasing, with poor pedestrian experiences, especially on rainy days. This design is the first step for me and my team to redefine footbridges in this vibrant city. The new footbridge is called the Breathing Bridge, as its kinetic facade moves with a carefully designed path. With the biomimicry feature, innovative technology, and sustainable materials, the bridge will become a landmark of the harbour front.
The dynamic facade mimics the movement and form of a ribcage. We've designed the structure so that it expands and contracts like an animal's ribcage, where they inhale and exhale. When the bridge inhales, this forms larger spaces between each component of the facade, thus allowing maximum wind flow and light. When the bridge exhales, these gaps contract, which obstructs most wind and rain from entering. Subsequently, this design enables the bridge to be locally attuned and responsive as the weather conditions vary seasonally with extreme weather during typhoon seasons. We have designed the dynamic facade to be a ubiquitous, responsive, indirect control system. Sensors are placed at regular intervals to collect data for wind direction and magnitude together with rain. These sensors send an optimal solution command to all the robotic arms connecting each individual component to determine the form of the bridge. The facade acts as a louver and each part closes when weather conditions worsen, or expands when rain or strong winds are not detected. This boosts the bridge's air circulation and enhances the views. This is practical, but enables the footbridge's appearance to constantly alter, which aligns with Hong Kong's ever-changing character. The facade is made out of bamboo. Each movable component consists of 2 bamboo posts hinged at the centre. Native to Yunnan, the Dendrocalamus sinicus is the largest bamboo species in the world, which yields the required strength and is environmentally friendly and cheap. The breather and nanofibrous membranes form a dual-layered, highly transparent membrane between each bamboo component. The breather membrane is water-resistant, so it can keep out rainwater, but it is permeable to water vapour to maintain humidity. The nanofibrous membrane's small pore size of 0.2 nanometers filters air pollutants, where oxygen passes through, but not CO2 or NO2. Glowy technology will be implemented, where it is a bioluminescent raw material that inserts genetic coding for bioluminescence into bacteria to create more bioluminescence. It is implemented as it does not use electricity, nor emits light pollution, and it requires little infrastructure. In our design, we will light the walkway of the bridge and the dynamic rib design with glowy technology. This therefore combats global issues in urban lighting, where too much energy is used with little concern for the effects on global warming. Hence, this caters to the elements of sustainability, biomimicry, and other technologies. Traditional concrete has poor tensile strength and can crack, thus indicating weaker resilience than required. It can be expensive to repair, and this may disrupt neighbouring communities. Therefore, our bridge design uses self-healing concrete, where healing pellets consisting of bacillus bacteria and calcium lactate are added to the self-healing concrete. When the cracks form and water filtrates in, the bacillus can become active and produces limestone to fulfill the cracks. Overall, the proposal's diverse strategies and materials demonstrate how sustainable it is and how the user experience can be enhanced. For example, the movable facades improve ventilation and allow sunlight to enter the bridge, thus reducing energy use, whilst the self-healing concrete's properties reduce the need for future repairs, therefore lessening the impact on neighbouring communities and decreasing the money required for maintenance. Our innovative design aligns with the new harbourfront development plan to potentially become a new iconic city landmark. It is time for Hong Kong to think about the future. The transformation of Victoria Harbour would not only be limited to the promenade itself, but also positively alter the user experience. Our proposal will ensure that our vision of an accessible, sustainable and vibrant harbour for the people will be achieved.